Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls and styling services. I like to try all different kinds, some well-known, some less well-known, which I have one today that is a less well-known, which is always fun for me. If clothing unboxing videos sound interesting to you, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back, for your feedback. All that is so very much appreciated. So guys, I've got the solution to all my problems, and it is the short story style box. Hopefully it's the solution to all my problems. Short story, it is a new styling service for Petites. I believe they recommend for 5'4" and below, and they provide you with all petite clothing. So you guys know how all my videos, about 90% of the stuff I try on is just too big. And that's super boring and frustrating. And so I was so excited when I came across this. I think I found it via Crepe Joy. I like to go out there periodically just to see what boxes are out there, if there's anything new to try, things like that. So I was very excited to find this and get this ordered. It has a $25 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. You get 4 days to figure out what you want to keep, send back what you don't want. I'm not super sure what the cost of things are. I'm guessing they're going to be Stitch Fix like. Now, unfortunately, I waited until after I ordered the box, but I did find that there was another unboxing of this by our very own Terry at Southern Yankee. I will put a card to her video where she does her unboxing of this. It was back in December with Vlogmas, so check it out. She does a great job. She always does great videos. One other thing, so you put in your request for a box. I think you can either buy ad hoc or do a monthly subscription. And after a couple weeks, I got a preview of what they were going to send me, and I could reject stuff if I wanted to. I didn't reject anything. I thought everything looked pretty good, and I was excited to try it. So I just had them send me what they had initially picked out for me. So it's definitely been a few weeks since I bought it, but that, you know, especially with new style boxes, they can take a little bit longer to get to you. So all right, let's just go ahead and get into this. I've had this sitting in the house for a couple days and I'm dying to get it open. All right, let's dive right in. Okay, so just to show you guys what it looks like on the inside, there's some paperwork. Again, kind of how it works, what they sent you. It looks like a style note and information about each and every piece, about how to style it. Looks like there's 6 items. I can't remember how many they send you. So yeah, there's 6 items in here, and they provide you with a referral link and your style notes, your mailer to put it back in the box, I'm assuming, to send it back. So let's go ahead and dive right in here. Oh, it's a couple of little bundles here. Okay, first off, we have this green blouse, and I was very excited when I saw this because I love a green blouse. And it's got this tie front, which I think is super cute. And it is 3/4 sleeve and has a seam detail down the front. And it looks really cute, and it looks like it's gonna fit. I mean, that's just the most exciting part about this, is I feel like these items are actually going to fit me. Next up, we have this black dress from Free Press. It is 3/4 sleeve, V-neck, and it has ruching on the side here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the camera, but it has ruching in the side here. Both this and the blouse are extra small, so hopefully that will fit. I mean, you guys have seen so many extra smalls on me that were too big, so hopefully this will not be too small. I didn't know what to put in some of my sizes about petite sizes, how they relate to the regular sizes, and I just was a little bit unsure about my sizing when I filled out the profile, so I may have some adjusting there after I try a couple boxes, but that will be no fault of the box. It's just me figuring out what size I am in the petites. So next we have this, I'd call it It's not blush. It's almost blush. It's almost peach. I'm gonna go with peach. Oh, look at this. This peach top. It is like a cowl neck top here. It feels, it's such a nice soft material. Looks like full length sleeves. And it's got major slits in the side, so I think you're definitely meant to wear something underneath it because the slit goes half the way up, but I think that's really pretty. Very pretty. I like that color. Okay, oh, and that is by Lou & Grey, and again, extra, extra small. So let's go to the second bundle here. We have by Vince Camuto, again, extra, extra small, this blouse. It is navy with like baby blue polka dots on it, has a flutter sleeve on it, and I just thought that was a pretty summery-ish blouse, so can't wait to try that on. Again, extra, extra small. And then we have by Shein, oh, it says a medium. Maybe these must run small or something like that, like run super small. We have this ivory top with this beautiful cutout. Let me give you guys a better look at that cutout there. Cutouts on the sleeves, very beautiful. Same cutouts on the bottom of the shirt. Just a really nice blouse. So, okay, very nice. And then we have a pair of jeans, Article of Society, which I love my Articles of Society. Hopefully these are a 26. Okay. And they have distressing on them in the front, kind of some distressing at the hem and knee and up here at the top. They're high rise, very cute. So we shall see how these fit. All right, let's go ahead and get this stuff on. Okay, first off, we have the tie front blouse and the jeans. So the blouse I think is super cute, and I feel like it fits great. There's no looseness to it, no bigness to it. It just fits well. I love that it has a tie here on the side. I think that is such a cute detail, and I have only good things to say about this. Here it is all the way around. Love the color. Great. The jeans. Now, I love that they're high-waisted. They feel great. They are super soft. There's a tag on them that says super soft, and I agree. The length on them is great. Just perfect length to it. So, really happy with that. The only thing is that it's a 26 and not a 25, and I feel that. Like, I feel like it's not bad. The gapping's not bad, but I feel like I could stand to go down one size. But other than that, I feel like it's great. I have nothing but great things to say, and I really enjoy my other Articles of Society jeans, so that's a bonus. So, all right, let's go to the next top. Okay, next up we have this white top, the laser cut top. I think the laser cut detail is very beautiful. According to the picture on the model, I think it is meant to be like a little bit looser, a little bit more oversized, and so I think maybe that's why they sized up to a medium for me. I like it, I just don't know that I'm over the moon for it. I do like the laser cut detail, but it does mean I'd have to wear a cami under it because I do see a little bit of stomach here. So I like it, I just can't say that I love it. Here it is in the back. Okay, great. Next top. Okay, so next top, again, it fits great. This is another extra, extra small. I think it's cute. I do like the flutter sleeves and kind of the ruffle on the sides, but I don't know if this is completely Jen just because I'm not a huge ruffle person. So, again, I like it. I just don't know if I love it. So, I don't know. I'm going to have to think about this one a little bit more. All right, let's get to the last top. Okay, last top is this blushish peachish top on it. Feels, again, the material of it is so soft. It feels like such great quality. Really happy with this. It's another piece, I'm just not sure if it's really a Jen piece. It's kind of, again, more flowy than I typically like. It's almost kind of has a dolmany ring to it up here. And I mean, the sleeves fit great length. So it's definitely the right size. It's just not really my style so much. And then you can see how high up the slits go. So basically they go up to here, so you definitely have to wear something underneath it, which is fine. I don't mind wearing something underneath. In fact, I frequently, even when I don't have to, put on something underneath for just an extra layer of warmth. It's Indiana, it's cold, so I just like to layer up to keep warm. So, but I love the color of this. I love the feel of this. I just don't think it's quite my style. So I think last up is we have the dress to get on now. Last up we have this black dress. I think it is a beautiful dress. It obviously fits like a glove. Maybe too much like a glove, I'm not sure yet. So I like the tuliping here down at the bottom. I didn't notice that at first. Again, ruching is always nice and flattering to kind of give you good shape. And it's snug, but I don't think it's too snug. So I like this. I like this a lot. So we'll see what the prices are on these. I believe, again, from watching Terry's videos, they were, Stitch Fix similarly priced, maybe even a little bit more affordable. So let's go find out. Okay, guys, I put this gorgeous green top back on for the rest of the video. All right, so let's just kind of go through the paperwork together and see what all we have here. So they do provide a prepaid label. I think you just slap it on the same box as what you received. I will read the stylist note to me. So my stylist was Isabella. She says, Dear Jennifer, thanks for letting us style your very first box. Shopping for clothes as a petite woman can be a real struggle. Yes. Trying on 5 shirts to find the right one that fits, taking pants to the tailor, it's a real pain and we want to fix that. At Short Story, our goal is to find you petite sized pieces that fit out of the box. This means cropped hemlines, smaller armholes, a closer fit, and general clothing that don't swallow you up. I like the sounds of that. For this box, we were thinking spring thoughts. We know temps are still low in Indiana, but we were hoping these pieces will put you in a spring state of mind. A fresh green color, a scalloped white blouse, all pieces that you can mix and match that will take you into the new season. Here's to a happy fitting. Isabella at Short Story. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this up for you if you guys wanna, if anybody's particularly interested in reading about the pieces and what she says as far as styling them. So you've got that there, but I'm not gonna read that for you guys because I'm pretty sure everybody would tune out on me. Again, it has information on the referral, so you get $25 if you use my referral link below. And then there is a feedback form to provide feedback for that which you are sending back, and then your mailer. Okay, so let's start at the top of the list here. We have the Vince Camuto Romantic Dot Flutter Sleeve Blouse, and this is $37.94. I liked it, just not enough. I don't know that I had any particular complaints other than I do feel like the side ruffle made me just look overall wider, so that's not necessarily I'm going for. Then we have the Scalloped Laser Clip Blouse, and this is actually $11. $11, guys. Beautiful blouse. I just don't see myself pulling for it. I think this is one that I would maybe consider sizing down on. I might ask to do that. Okay, new plan. Gonna ask if I can size down on this because it is a beautiful blouse and it's $11. So if I could go down to just a regular small instead of medium, that'd be cool. Okay, so that's my new plan. All right, next up, we have the article says Society High Waist Distressed Skinny Jeans, and these are $49.37. These are a 26 and not a 25, so if I keep them, I will ask to size down. I am debating. I have a few pairs of distressed jeans, and I'm finding that I am not wearing them as frequently as I had hoped. And the issue is I don't wear them at all in the winter because I don't like holes in my jeans because that just lets air in, and that's very, very cold for me. So these are more of a spring fall thing. So I just kind of have limited weather in which I wear distressed jeans, and I can't wear them to work. So it's just, you know, I just have limited opportunities in certain events that I go to. I feel like they're too nice to wear distressed jeans. So I'm just struggling to pull them out and wear them, but I really, really like these. So I'm debating. All right, next up we have the tie front crepe top. That's what I'm wearing right now. That's by Gibson, and it is $42.94. I think you guys know I'm keeping this. You know I'm keeping this, right? It's my favorite color. It fits just great. It's beautiful. It's mine. Okay, the ultra soft cowl tunic by Lou & Grey, and that is an accurate description. I'm obsessed with this. If it was just cut differently, $37.94. So not gonna keep that. And then the high-low ruched dress, it by Free Press, $39.74. Great price for this dress. I really debated because I do look for some more 3/4 sleeve, longer sleeve dresses to wear in the winter, but it is a bit snug, and I'm just not sure I really need it. So I think I'm gonna pass on the dress, but I'll be keeping this blouse, hopefully be able to size down in the laser cut blouse, and maybe the jeans too. I don't know. This was a fun box though. I thought it was great. I have some pieces here that fit me great, so that's awesome. Even the jeans fit great in length, and so it was nice to get some pieces that fit. So I am interested to keep on getting at least a few more of this box just to keep seeing what I get and how they fit compared to how they fit in the other boxes. So all right, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully it's nice for you guys to see stuff where I'm not dwarfed in everything that I wear. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and we will hopefully see you in the next video. All right, thanks, bye.